Alright, we got our water cut on. We're going to give our pump a few squeezes. You got your inline fuel filter going on right here. Oil, I mix it 50 to 1. That's what this motor calls for. Show you forward. I'm going to swipe it up here, pull your handle. Let our prop stop spinning, I'm going to show you reverse. Back in neutral now. So this here is your choke. And she does have the safety if you want to clip it to your life jacket, whatever. So anyway, I usually put my cooler there, tackle box there. This is where I'm usually at. And to drive this thing, I just sit up front. Does have the direction indicator on the top of the controller. Believe it or not, that is pretty useful. So anyway, my old friend. Oh yeah. When I do catch fish, I've got this thing here. It's held in by Velcro. So you jerk it off of there, there's your fish scale. That scale's only 22 inches. Usually I catch ones a lot bigger, so that scale is inadequate. I only catch the monsters in this vessel. But, cool little boat. Hope you enjoyed.